Hello, my name is Jorge Enrique Oviedo Rivera. I am a red. I from La Cumbre Valle del Cauca. I am 48 years old. I am a laboratorian at the cement company Argos. And I am studying industrial management technology at UNAT, alive in the municipality of Jumbo Valle del Cauca. I my free time, I usually do events with music artistic in different municipalities and cities. I was born in the municipality of La Cumbre, and today I come to tell you a lie about it is located for 40 minutes from the municipality of Jumbo. Is a small tourist town in Valle. It is characterized by the cold climate and the kindness of the people who live there. Um, there is a great variety of dishes such as chocolate, witches, and wafer to speed a pleasant um afternoon. Uh, However, there are other types of food such as tamales, empanadas, arepas, among many other tasting that people will like there and what they visit love. The beginning of the year is very much awaited by in the inhabitants and the people who usually visit this township since it will be celebrate the Day of the Blacks and Whites, um, and commemorate IB meeting and playing in family with floor music and game. In conclusion, it is the best festivity from adults and children. People usually go on the weekend to eat in different restaurants located on the main road meals range from hamburger to lasagna. In conclusion, it is a very close light town, full friendly people, and highly unhealthy environment for the family and full of many activities too. I hope you can visit someday. You will like it. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.